What's stopping you from chasing your dream? No money? Well, let me tell you a secret. While cash can help, it's not the only way to start. With the right strategy, you can play it smart. Today, I'll show you how to start a business without spending a dime. Plus, I'll share some awesome free tools to get you going in no time. Here's a fun fact. 42% of successful entrepreneurs didn't start with piles of cash. They had grit, determination, and a mindset that would never crash. So let's break it down. The real game changers are discipline, mindset, and taking consistent action. And I'm here to show you how to nail each of them. First up, make discipline your superpower. Discipline is like a muscle. You can build it every day. So start small, like reading one chapter of a business book or researching a topic that could help you grow. If you do this daily, you'll know so much more by the end of the year. Just 30 minutes a day, and that's it. Imagine how much progress you'll make if you stick with it. And make sure you cut out distractions. The time you waste on social media, that's the time you could be spent building your dream. Put your phone away on focus mode and use apps like Freedom to block out the noise. That extra hour a day, it adds up quickly. So treat your dream like a full-time job, even if you're working on it part-time. Next, build consistency, brick by brick. Consistency wins the race. It's not about working non-stop for hours. It's about showing up every day. Small tasks done regularly lead to big results. Maybe it's sending out one email pitch or updating your website, just a bit every day. Do this for weeks and you'll notice the difference. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day, but it was built every day. Stick with it and the results will follow, trust me. Remember the free tools I promised to share with you? Let's see how they can make your journey a whole lot easier. Stay resourceful, not rich. You don't need a ton of cash to get started. You need resourcefulness. There are so many free tools to help you along the way. For example, Canva's free version is perfect for creating graphics, and platforms like WordPress let you build a site at no cost. Instead of paying for expensive courses, why don't you check out the free resources like YouTube videos or podcasts from successful entrepreneurs? Did you know that many successful business owners started out using free tools before they had the money to invest in anything else? They made it work with what they had, and so can you. Now let's dive into the key mindset shift that will set you up for long-term success. Cultivate the right mindset. A growth mindset is key to success, but what does this mean? It means learning from your mistakes, staying persistent, and embracing challenges along the way. Think about it. Every successful entrepreneur faced setbacks, rejection, and failure. What made them different though? They didn't give up. They learned, adapted, and kept pushing forward. Here's a fun fact. Studies show that the most successful people don't let failure stop them. They learn from it and keep going. Here's a tip you don't want to miss. Leverage free marketing strategies. You don't need a huge budget to market your business. Start small and use what you have. Social media is your best friend. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or LinkedIn, share your progress. Talk about your mission and engage with your audience. It's free and it works if you're consistent and always documenting, not manufacturing. Here's an extra tip. Only create content that speaks to your audience, whether it's a blog, video, or social media post. Keep it relevant to your niche. This builds a ton of trust, and all it costs is your time. Remember, your journey won't always be easy, and it definitely won't be instant, but every step you take is progress. Why is it worth it? The great Horace Jackson Brown Jr. said it best. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So, are you ready to start? Make your first step right now. Whether it's writing down your goal, researching a business idea, or simply planning your next move, take action today. Your dream is waiting, and it's closer than you think.